Hi, I'm Ron White from Arcadian Quilt Studio. I wanted to let you know that we're going to be teaching an introduction to Grand Format Embroidery class at Accomplished Quilting Indianapolis on October the 7th, Saturday. And so I wanted to let you know some of the things we're going to talk about in this 4-hour class. We're going to start out with some inspiration. We're going to show you some great, wonderful, interesting things you can do with Grand Format Embroidery. We will give a little embroidery overview because a lot of you may not have any embroidery experience. We'll show you how to switch your classic machine from regular quilting to embroidery mode. And then we'll talk about how to import designs, embroidery designs in. We'll talk about setting the colors and setting the stitching order. And we'll talk about how you start sewing and progress through the sewing. We'll talk about what happens if you need to stop and then pick back up again, like a thread break, for example. And then we'll talk about what you would do with this once you have stitched it. So hopefully you will join us and we'll have a lot of fun and hopefully you'll learn a lot.